कोपरखैरा ने बंगाली एसोसिएशन ने अपना 29वां शारदीय दुर्गोत्सव मनाया, जो 8 से 13 अक्टूबर 2024 के बीच शरद ऋतु में देवी दुर्गा की पूजा करने का वार्षिक अनुष्ठान है। यह उत्सव नवी मुंबई के कोपरखैराने रेलवे स्टेशन के पास शेतकरी समाज हॉल में मनाया जाता है। कोपरखैराने बंगाली एसोसिएशन की स्थापना 1996 में बंगाल के समृद्ध साहित्य, कला और संस्कृति को बढ़ावा देने के साथ साथ क्रॉस कल्चरल एक्सचेंज को बढ़ावा देने के उद्देश्य से की गई थी। मुंबई में कई जगहों के विपरीत जहां पूजा उत्सव को चकाचौंध और ग्लैमर से जोड़ा जाता है, कोपरखैराने बंगाली एसोसिएशन दुर्गा पूजा अपने घरेलू और स्वागत करने वाले माहौल के लिए जानी जाती है। इस साल वे पारंपरिक बंगाली व्यंजन, पुरानी परंपराएं और बंगाली कला और संस्कृति का प्रदर्शन करते हैं। सिंदूर खेला का इतिहास और इसका महत्व बंगाली हिंदू संस्कृति तथा दुर्गा पूजा की समृद्ध परंपराओं से गहराई से संबंधित है। इसके आरंभ का कोई निश्चित प्रमाण उपलब्ध नहीं है, लेकिन यह एक प्राचीन परंपरा है जो सदियों से चली आ रही है, जिसका मुख्य उद्देश्य समाज में महिलाओं की भूमिका को सशक्त और सम्मानित करना है। इसका धार्मिक और सांस्कृतिक दृष्टिकोण से अत्यधिक महत्व है। दुर्गा विसर्जन के दिन आरती के साथ सिंदूर खेला की प्रक्रिया आरंभ होती है। इसके पश्चात लोग मां दुर्गा को भोग अर्पित करते हैं और प्रसाद का वितरण करते हैं। मां दुर्गा की प्रतिमा के समक्ष एक शीशा रखा जाता है, जिसमें माता के चरणों के दर्शन होते हैं। यह मान्यता है कि इस शीशे में घर में सुख और समृद्धि का निवास होता है। इसके बाद सिंदूर खेला का आयोजन किया जाता है, जिसमें महिलाएं एक दूसरे को सिंदूर लगाकर शुभकामनाएं देती हैं। अंत में दुर्गा विसर्जन किया जाता है।
Unlike Navratri, Durga Puja is a 4 days affair, but the preparation goes on for almost 6 months. And like any other year, it's been a very, very gala festival always. We members are pretty united, and the association is growing day by day. And we are looking forward. Next year, we will be entering into the 38th of our celebration, and hence hoping to make it a big affair. And all the members of our community, of Bengali communities, were extremely united. All the members are pretty old. So I guess Koparkharan Durga Puja Association is one of the oldest association, having all the members since the foundation. So therefore that's the place where this club stands out. Yeah.
Today we are celebrating Vijaya Dashami at Koparkharan Bengali Association. This journey has been a very wonderful journey since the inception of the Durga Puja. Today it would be bidding bye to our beloved Durga Ma, and we would again wait for the next year to come, as we all Bengalis have a tremendous feeling associated with this Durga Puja. And I hope everybody a Shubho Vijaya Dashami to you. May God bestow you with health, wealth and happiness. Thank you. Durga Puja 2024. This is our association's Koparkharan Bengali Association's Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is all about nature. It starts with the worship of nature. The first day, that is the Shaptami, that is the Shoshti, we do the puja, we perform the puja on the bale tree. So it starts with the nature worship, and then going onwards comes Shaptami. Shaptami we go for the Palabao Snan. So Palabao is most popularly known as Ganesha's wife, which it is not. Palabao is actually a banana plant, and 9 kinds of herbs and plants are tied to the banana plant and worship. It's bathed and worship, and then we put it beside Ganesha. So that is Palabao. This is again nature worship. Then we move on to Ashtami, where the elaborate puja is done, and then we move on to Navami, where the main point of Navami is the Kumari Puja. So a young child till the age of 12, she is dressed up like the goddess, and the goddess is invoked in her, and she is celebrated, she is worshipped, and she is celebrated. The culmination point, that is Ashtami and Navami, that is the Sandhi Puja. We do the Sandhi Puja, where we usually perform the sacrifice or the bali. So it's the sacrifice of our inner anger and all the bad things we have. It's a ceremonial sacrifice where we sacrifice the sugarcane or goat, anything like that. Any vegetable is sacrificed. Then we move on to Navami and then Dashami. So we perform the Dashami, and the Durga Puja again ends with the nature worship. That is after the Dashami Puja is done, we do the Aparajita Puja. Why Aparajita? Aparajita is the one who is not defeated. Aparajita. So the Aparajita is Mother Goddess, Goddess Durga, who kills Mahishasura. So Mahishasura, since she kills Mahishasura, she is Aparajita. She is not defeated. So we again end the puja with the nature worship of Aparajita, and we tie the twines, Aparajita twines. So the entire Durga Puja is about celebrating nature, celebrating prosperity, celebrating women empowerment. So this Durga Puja is all about women empowerment, nature worship and prosperity. We end the puja with the Shidur Khela. Again, the Shidur Khela is about women. It's about the family traditions and the family bonding. We put vermilion on each other. So it's again a happy ending. We are not happy to let mother go, but then yes, of course, we have to let her go so that she can come back with us the next year, so that we can again do our Durga Puja. Happy Durga Puja. Shubho Vijaya from all of us. Bolo bolo Durga Mai ki jai! Bolo bolo Durga Mai ki jai! Bolo bolo Durga Mai ki jai! Achhe bacho amar hobe! Achhe bacho amar hobe! Bachor bacho amar hobe! Bolo bolo Durga Mai ki jai! you.